So this is our job. Put an isolator where the heli block is with 100 milliamp RCD, which we've got over here. Gonna go pretty well, I think. Yeah. Very good. Cool. It's now time to test it. Yeah, not done too bad. Put a main heli block there. Got to get an earth tag on that. Put a main heli block down there. Let me straighten up a little bit. Not too bad. Not too shaggy. Get some stickers on. Get out of here. To prove it's tested, we video it. Right, that's the continuity tester. So we'll just go between that and the cross cut HDF terminal. There we go. Between that and that, just click your test button. Good. Take the test button off. Very good. Right, so that's got on earth. Sorry about the noise, I've been cutting behind us. Right, so that's continuity done to the out body work. Let's do an IR test. .500 volts. So let's do it between. Pop the main switch on, and we can do it between the earth and neutral. Do it between earth and neutral. It's probably because of the meter, it's pretty usual. So we'll turn that off, and of course the neutral is still connected to the earth. So let's do it between there and there. 500 volts. Yep, that's greater than. Let's do it between live and there. That's greater than. Brilliant news. And that's that tested. Well, that's the dead tester. Now we've got to do a loop test. Whack it onto the loop, put the light on so you can see it. Take ATT off. ATT is now off. Let's plug the head back in, which is this one. That's in. So that's now live as it should be. Is good. Whack the main oscillator on. That's now live. Right, let's do the ZE again. Oh yes. Of course we need to do it between live and neutral, don't we? Let's do it between live and neutral on the tester, because I'm not messing about. It's live. Right, live to live. So whack it on the earth. Whack it on the live. Just trying to get a grip of both of them. There we go. Perfect. Press the button. 0.36 LED. Right, let's do PFC whilst we're at it. So we've got to change it over to PFC, which can leave on PFC because we're already testing that. Yeah, baby. So let's do between neutral and live first. Between neutral and live. Press the test button. 0.17 KA. No, sorry, 0.71 KA. And go between Earth and that. Between Earth and it's live. Right, that's the highest. 7.3 KA. Yeah. Very good. And that's tested. So I'll just get the cover back on that in block and label it up. We're done.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
So to use the PodPoint, let's try and get that blow out. We have to switch it to loop, and then we can use that to simulate the car. So that's the simulate, yeah, because Mike's setting up the email for you. So this simulates a car, which enables me to test the actual car. It gives me a power to this thing, and that will go green. And then what I can do then, I can then get an accurate result
to see what's it charging at.
Not just that, to check the earthing as well, which is good. It's not 0.51, which is very good. And this, it basically just simulates a car, really.
Yeah. So what rate is it charging at?
It won't tell me that personally, because your app will do that. The app will tell you that bit.
Can't find it.
But you won't, because it's not set up yet. It has to be set up with the manufacturer thingy. The app for the PodPoint.
Okay. And I can't get that.
I'm going to video this bit for the RCD test on the PodPoint, so you can see an RCD test being performed with the car simulator, which is here. Now you touch this just to make sure there's no faults, and of course you can see here it's actually telling me there's already current there, which is good. So what we've got to do is select 32 amps, because that's the car we're testing. We've got to then select RCD, because I've tested the ZS now. Select RCD, and hit the type, which is for EV. Come on, that's it. And then the test will test it on auto at 6 milliamps. So what we do is we now have to flick it round. Now I'm going to flick it round to charging with no fan, because there's no point, because it's just charging the car really. So I'm going to flick that round, and what will happen is that'll become live, and obviously if I press that in, I should have nothing. And you can see up there it's gone green to show it's in charge status, which is not actually charging, it's just giving me power to this tester. So we press the test button, you can see that it's come up with live, and if we press the test button, what it will do is it will trip the little RCD inside the unit. There it goes. So it's now tripped the little unit, and the little red flashing lights come on to say it's tripped. So what we need to do now is we need to go back to this and reset it. So we put that back to A, so it's open, and now go to blue, if you can see it, yep. And then we can flick that back round to the car again, which will give us power, because you can see it on the L1 of the display. And then it'll go on to the next test, and so on and so forth. That's good. At half times, there we go. Right, now it's actually tripped the mains RCD, which we're wanting to test, so have that off. Ooh. I'm just videoing this for Mike so he can see what it looks like, because otherwise he ain't going to know what he's doing when he gets to the next one, is he? So go to the fuse board, we then reflick the 30 mA RCD that protects it. It's a fun process and a long process, but we can then flick that back around to C for the car, and it'll do another test at 30 milliamps. There we go. So let's trip the house again. Oh, gotta go back and turn that off first to open. Yeah. I think Mike should see the long enduro of it. There we go. 2 more tests after that, job done. Power's on. Let's flick it right back round to C again, and we'll do the next test. There we go. Right then, let's do this again. Reset it back to car. Little light comes on. That'll test. Trip. Perfect. Set that back to A because we don't need that now. And set that back down to open because we don't need that. It's a big process to it, isn't there? Right then. Let's shut the lid. Stuff. Let's make sure that's all okay. Yep. There's the results. Perfect. Let's pack this all away.
Oh, wow. 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above.